I said, why? He said, because it's too tough. This one worked on it and tried, and that one worked on it and tried. Well, of course, that just sort of got me going. And I said, okay, but I'm going to work on this problem. And I did, and I solved the problem. And I was very pleased with myself. And went back to teach at MIT and Harvard. But for reasons which I won't go into, I needed money. And I had borrowed money to invest in a company with some friends of mine, and I needed to pay it back. But there was a place in Princeton called the Institute for Defense Analyses, which was a highly classified place under the aegis of the government, the Defense Department. And what we're supposed to do is break Russian codes. Well, that was an interesting challenge. I liked the work. They told us you could do your own mathematics up to half your time, but the other half you had to do, this code cracking business. And during that period, I was very interested in an area of mathematics called minimal surfaces. Does any of you know what a minimal surface is? Well, someone must know what a minimal surface is. Okay, so a minimal surface is a surface of minimal area with respect to its boundary. So imagine taking a wire frame, just any closed frame, dip it in soap suds, and then take it out, and there'll be a film that is bounded by this thing. And that film, that soap film, has less area than any other surface with that boundary. So that's a minimal surface. And the first Fields Prize winner back in maybe 1905 had proved that any such boundary would have a minimal surface, just one, and it would be smooth. It wouldn't have any points or anything like that. It would just be a nice, smooth surface. And as I said, he won the Fields Medal for that. And so I got interested in that area while I was there at the Institute for Defense Analyses. So in my spare time, which was quite a lot, I worked on that problem.
I'm Moondav. I build trading bots chasing the same industry Jim Simons ran up a net worth of $31 billion in. But I believe code is the great equalizer. And these are real people, real profits, hundreds of them. I'm not asking you to trust me, I'm asking you to trust them. Moondav.com/Discord. Message anyone, ask them, become friends.